Hello, George Gillis Jr. out here, and we're with Best Marketing Ideas, and glad to have you today watching this video. What I want to share with you guys today is that we have I'm giving away a two-step affiliate commission funnel system created by one of my friends online. Um, has put together this one-page funnel system that shows you how to set up everything and integrate it all with video tutorial, step-by-step guide. Um, you can make affiliate commissions up to $1,000 a month. I just implemented the program over a week ago, and I've already got 20 or 30 leads already coming into the system. Is because the products that we're selling are the products that everybody needs. Okay, you need a platform to build your capture pages and things like that that you can use to integrate with this system. Everything is already set up for you. It takes you step by step how to get into it. The number one income stream we have in here is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that allow you to create capture pages, put in your links, edit the software, edit your pages and change them and build them how you want them, look pretty, to put your business out there. Now you can do this with any business once you get the system. But we're going to give you a free trial today with ClickFunnels. And you're also going to need a tool that you need is an autoresponder so you can send email blasts to your potential clients. It comes with a 30-day trial. There's going to be a link in the description for you to get Aweber, or we use another software, which is an email marketing system, which is called ConvertKit. You can get it for 30 days free too. Everything is implemented in here free for the first 30 days. That way you can start putting your presence online right now. All you have to do is get involved. We're going to help you all the way through video tutorials that'll help you step by step how to get this thing plugged up, and you can get started today. We want to start promoting this thing and start running some paid advertisement, some free advertisement, whatever it is that you need to do to advertise this page. Now, when you see this page, you're going to be really blown away because it's just a simple 2, 3 step, maybe 4 steps setup, and that's it. And then you start promoting. Everything is involved to get you where you need to be. All you have to do is just plug in today. Um, if you like this video, hit the like button. Share if you see it on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. There'll be plenty of more money making opportunity videos coming, that's already there too. If you have a chance, get plugged in. We'll see you on the inside. Have a blessed day.